Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Chainlink, guys. This is another video of price protection. What's going on in the Chainlink? Let me show you. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so I request all of you to please click the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon for new videos notification, guys. Guys, now the currently live price of the Chainlink in the market is 27.97 USD dollar. They are going to hit 28 USD dollar right now. So that is the right now price of the Chainlink in the market. And furthermore, guys, other side, if you talk about the price changes occur in the Chainlink, so the changes is going wrong. But guys, I hope that they are going to hit a 28 USD dollar. This series is a negative, but guys, why I believe, because after false possibilities that the price will pump, so that's why, guys, I'm thinking positive about Chainlink, and I believe that with the passage of time the changes will become positive. Anyways, guys, what you think about Chainlink, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos about crypto market. I will give you the latest update. And other side, you can see here that is the last 1 month update of the Chainlink, and absolutely, guys, you can see here the price very fastly increase every time I found in the jumping mode. So what you think about Chainlink, guys? Just tell me in the comment box. Is it a good time to buy or not? Guys, I think it's just holding time. It is just holding time. Anyways, guys, what you think about Chainlink, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.